What if I told you there's one simple position? No running, no weights, no getting down on the floor and praying you can get back up. That can strengthen your core, improve your posture, protect your joints, and even sharpen your mind. Sounds like a late night infomercial, right? But this is the real deal. And the best part? It takes just 60 seconds. I'm talking about the plank. And before you say, that's too hard for me, hold on, because the version I'm going to show you is designed specifically for people over 50. No strain, no pain, just results. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what happens to your body when you do a 1-minute plank every single day. We're covering 10 powerful benefits, and honestly, stick with me, because benefit number 8 is the one that changes how your body ages, and almost nobody over 50 realizes how powerful it is until they experience it. Before we get started, tell me your age and where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing how many people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond are part of this community. 1. Core strength that protects your spine. After 50, your core isn't about getting a six-pack. It's about keeping your spine safe. Think about it. Every time you bend down to pick something up, twist to grab a seatbelt, or even just sit at the kitchen table for an hour, your core is what's holding your back together. And if it's weak, that's when you get those nagging aches, those random twinges, that stiffness that seems to come from nowhere. The plank is the single best exercise for training your entire core all at once. Your front abs, your side muscles, your deep stabilizers that wrap around your spine like a natural back brace, they all fire up the moment you hold that position. And here's what makes it perfect for us. There's no crunching, no twisting, no impact. Just steady, controlled activation. 2 minutes a day, and your back starts thanking you in ways you haven't felt in years. Because at this stage of life, a strong core isn't cosmetic. It's your body's insurance policy. 2. Stand taller with naturally better posture. Ever catch your reflection in a window and notice your shoulders rounding forward? Or maybe someone's told you that you're slouching more than you used to. That's not just appearance. It's a signal that your postural muscles are losing the battle against gravity. Here's where the plank quietly works its magic. When you hold a proper plank, your shoulders pull back, your chest opens up, and your spine finds its natural alignment. You're not just building strength, you're retraining your body to remember what standing tall actually feels like. Over time, this translates directly into your daily life. You'll sit straighter at dinner, you'll walk with more presence. People might even ask if you've gotten taller. And better posture isn't vanity. It opens up your lungs for deeper breathing, takes pressure off your lower back, and honestly, it just makes you feel more confident, like you own the room again. All from 60 seconds of stillness each day. 3. Balance and stability that prevents falls. Now this is one nobody talks about enough. Falls are one of the leading causes of serious injury after 50. And most of the time, it's not because the floor was slippery. It's because the body's stabilization system quietly went offline. The plank is essentially a full-body balancing act. Even though you're not moving, your muscles are constantly making tiny adjustments to keep you steady. Your core, your shoulders, your hips, they're all communicating in real time. That's your proprioception at work, your body's internal sense of where it is in space. And the more you train it, the faster your body reacts when you stumble, trip, or hit an uneven patch of sidewalk. Think of it like an early warning system for your balance. The plank doesn't just make you stronger, it makes you quicker to catch yourself. And that kind of stability, it's the difference between a stumble and a trip to the emergency room. So when someone says planks are for young gym goers, tell them this is fall prevention in disguise. 4. Stronger shoulders and upper body endurance. Here's something that surprises a lot of people. The plank is secretly an incredible upper body exercise. When you hold the position, your shoulders, arms, and upper back are working non-stop to support your weight. It's not flashy, you won't feel it the way you do with a push-up, but that sustained effort builds endurance, the kind of lasting strength that matters in real life. Carrying groceries from the car, lifting a suitcase into an overhead bin, holding your grandchild for more than 30 seconds without your arms going numb. That's what upper body endurance looks like in the real world. And unlike heavy lifting, which can strain shoulders and rotator cuffs after 50, the plank strengthens those areas gently. You're not pushing or pulling, you're supporting. And that's the safest kind of load for aging joints. 1 minute, every day, your upper body gets quietly and reliably stronger. If you're still with us and finding this helpful, type number 4 in the comments so I know you're there. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and the bell so you don't miss any future videos. 5. Joint-friendly strength without impact. Let's be honest, after a certain age, a lot of exercises start working against you. Running pounds the knees, jumping jars the hips, even some yoga poses can be tough on the wrists or shoulders. But the plank? It's what trainers call an isometric exercise. That means your muscles are working hard, but nothing is moving. No repetitions, no bouncing, no jarring force on your joints. Instead, your body builds strength through stillness. Your tendons and ligaments get gently conditioned. Your joints stay in alignment. It's like building scaffolding around your body, quiet internal support that protects you without wearing you down. If you've ever skipped a workout because you were afraid of hurting your knees or flaring up your back, this is for you. The plank lets you build real, functional strength without the wear and tear. Your joints don't have to give out with age. They just need the right kind of training. This is it. 6. Full body activation in just one position. What if you could work nearly every major muscle group without even moving your feet? That's the hidden genius of the plank. From the outside, it looks still, maybe even easy. But on the inside, your body is on fire. Your legs are engaged, your core is bracing, your back is stabilizing, your arms and shoulders are holding everything in place. Even the small muscles along your spine are pitching in. This kind of total body activation is called isometric training, and it's ideal for anyone over 50. Why? Because it builds strength without repetitive stress, protects your joints, and improves how your brain and muscles communicate with each other. Even better, it mimics real-life demands, holding a door open while carrying a bag, bracing yourself on a moving bus, steadying your body while navigating uneven ground. The plank trains you for all of it. No gym, no machines, just your body working together, head to toe, from the inside out. 7. Boost your metabolism and fat burning. Now here's one that catches people off guard. A plank isn't cardio. You're not sweating buckets or breathing like you just ran a mile. So how could it possibly help with metabolism? Here's the thing. Because the plank activates so many muscle groups simultaneously, it forces your body to burn more energy than you'd think. Muscles are your metabolism's engine. The more you activate, the more fuel your body uses, even at rest. And when you plank consistently, you're building lean muscle tissue. That tissue burns calories around the clock, not just during the exercise. Your resting metabolic rate actually increases over time. So while a 1-minute plank won't replace your morning walk, it quietly stacks the deck in your favor. You're teaching your body to be a more efficient machine, even when you're just sitting on the couch watching the evening news. Think of it as a small daily deposit into your metabolic savings account, and it compounds. 8. Reconnect your brain and muscles. All right, this is the one that surprised me, and it might surprise you too. As we age, it's not just our muscles that weaken. The signals between our brain and body start to slow down. That's why movements feel less precise, reactions get a little sluggish, and coordination isn't what it used to be. The plank challenges your neuromuscular system in a unique way. Because you're holding your entire body in alignment without movement, your brain has to send constant signals to dozens of muscles at once, adjusting, stabilizing, correcting. It's like a software update for your nervous system. Over time, the connection between your brain and body gets sharper. You react faster. Your movements become smoother. You feel more dialed in to your own body. And this isn't just theory. Research on isometric training shows real improvements in neuromuscular coordination, especially in older adults. So when you hold that plank, you're not just training muscle, you're training your wiring. That's powerful, and that's why benefit number 8 is the one nobody talks about, but everybody over 50 needs. Before we continue to the top 2 benefits, if you're finding value in this information, hit that like button so more seniors can discover it. And subscribe. We're releasing powerful senior health content every week. 9. Mental discipline and stress resilience. Most exercises train the body. The plank trains the mind just as much. Think about what happens when you hold a plank for 30 seconds. Around the 20-second mark, your brain starts negotiating. That's probably enough. You can stop now. This is uncomfortable. Sound familiar? But when you breathe through it, when you stay, something shifts. You're not just building physical endurance, you're building the ability to sit with discomfort and not panic. And that's a skill that transfers directly into daily life. When stress hits, when sleep doesn't come, when life throws you a curveball you didn't see coming, your mind is steadier, more anchored, because you've trained it to hold on. And science supports this. Slow, controlled effort paired with focused breathing lowers cortisol, regulates your emotions, and strengthens your mental stamina. This isn't just exercise, it's emotional armor, and you build it one quiet minute at a time. If you're still watching and this helps, type number 9 in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Your support keeps us going. 10. A 1-minute habit that transforms your body. Let's be real. Most people over 50 don't love the idea of long workouts. Between the crowded gyms, the complicated routines, and the risk of overdoing it, it's easy to skip the whole thing. But 1 minute, that you can do. You can plank in your bedroom, on your patio, in the kitchen while the coffee brews. No equipment, no warm-up routine, no gym membership. Just you, a bit of floor space, and 60 seconds of focused effort. And because it's so short, it actually gets done. Day after day, week after week. That consistency is what creates real change. Not intensity, consistency. Your body doesn't need an hour of exercise to improve. It needs a daily signal that says, I'm still here, I still move, I still matter. And the plank delivers that signal beautifully. So wherever life takes you, on vacation, in retirement, at a hotel, at home, your workout is already with you. You just have to get into position and hold. How to do the plank. Simple and safe. Here's how to do it safely, step by step. Start on your forearms and knees on a comfortable surface. A yoga mat or carpet works great. Place your elbows directly under your shoulders. Extend one leg back, then the other, so your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your hips level. Don't let them sag or pike up. Tighten your belly as if someone's about to tap you in the stomach. Breathe slowly. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds to start. Over time, work your way up to a full minute. And if the full plank feels like too much, start from your knees. That's not cheating, that's being smart. Focus on form, not time. A 20-second plank with good alignment beats a sloppy 60-second hold every time. No rush. Your strength builds in stillness. Who should be careful? A quick word of caution. If you've had recent surgery on your shoulders, wrists, or lower back, or if you have uncontrolled high blood pressure or severe balance issues, talk to your doctor or physical therapist before starting. This is a gentle exercise, but it's always smart to check in first. The power of stillness and why it matters now. In a world that's always telling you to do more, move faster, and keep up, the plank offers something different. Stillness with purpose. One quiet minute that protects your spine, sharpens your mind, and reminds your body what it's still capable of. You don't need a gym, you don't need equipment, you just need 60 seconds and a decision to show up for yourself. Small, consistent actions change lives. The 1-minute plank is one of them. So here's my challenge to you. Stand up right now or find a patch of floor and give it just 15 seconds. Let your body remind you what it can do. And if you're already planking every day, I want to hear about it. Drop your time in the comments and tell me how it's changed the way you feel. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong.